Alright. Make the link then no. Because I can't to afford for that program to stall too long. You understand? And we have some investors right now who are planning to spend a nice piece of food.
Alright. Now let me make the link on it. ASAP. No worry about it.
So how our business are going?
Well, the weed house are going good, but the bar we have to lock it down for a minute.
How come?
Can't find an efficient and reliable bartender.
so so when numbers are though? Now him in the street. And him can't find nobody.
Well, in a film defense still, him really a try. But them young gyal, them want the fast lane here. Them not pre where we are pre.
We can't have the place locked down, King man. A whole heap of money me spend on that place, you know.
Him a deal with it, man. Him a do a good job with the weed house so far. I just to get somebody to deal with the bar.
We still feel like him can do more, King man. Numbers distracted from the other day. A couple times he call him from up there, you know. And him a make me know say boy I'm there on the road I deal with for him business.
Which business that? The farming?
Nah man. Do I look like Mullins having a deal with some of him thing then?
Oh, that. You know, say him did show me the level still. But I'm supposed to finish dealing with that already. So I'm supposed to go there now.
Alright. Are you say so?
I'm good, man. Trust me upon that.
So one thing mad girl. What's your name again? Hamiga.
Eh. But you know, a good minute now, me not hear him mention nothing about her. Look like him finally move
It's
on.
a long time him to do that. You know see that girl mad aya? If him no mind shot that girl go embarrass him in the street. Remember that.
But to tell the truth, she try her for him couple times. It just never connect. But me think numbers fi realize now say him a big man. Him have to know what him a do.
And that him for realize.
But ranking, you hear what going on with Butcher?
Eh. It is that show me what go on yes.
We need to find out who him did a link with, you know. Because we don't know them payments.
King man. Me no business with a youth. Eh, aya. As far as I care, better him the clot dead.
I know how you feel, okay? But I still want our own.
Our own. Our own and I take side with some little idiot to come try to put violence to the community.
Well, can't you me understand it and where my show me? I know exactly that. I just protection him did a look.
Protection, a clot. Protection. If him want protection, go buy 2 condom. And if I really protection him want, if he come to way. That's true we give them certain leverage and deputize them boy and make them can do certain things and feel like they can go around the thing. If a member say, yes sir, and we run it. We.
Real talk, you know. I can't argue with that. Plus, them have to learn, say, you know, everything you can use violence to fix.
Teflon clean up over 21. Right? And we have to work so hard to make the peace. And this little idiot boy going like he want to come the thing.
It is the call a meeting to you, know, brother. And the man them turn out.
That's why I rate that youth there. Zane, anything that youth they want, I make him get it. Because a youth always a think.
Yeah, no lie there, sir. Cause I proud of him for real.
And instead Butcher him take a page out of the youth foot. He not do that. Him walk wide. You want to say, no, him not reach my foot, you know.
No worry, man. As soon as him fully up, me I ensures him turn up.
Turn up. Me no want to see me no brother. You have faith in him. So you deal with him.
You what? Give me some time. Me I gonna make sure say him come in.
You see if somebody never move to him, and me would have take him 3 pints. If you see how that little boy there move shaky, don't put out the order ready for flying back and take them 3 pints.
Cha. Ranking. Hear what? May I beg you your word. Say I'll give me some time to bring him back into the fold.
You have my word, you know, King Man. Well, see, before me met that little boy there, make him eager. Bring back war in this community here. Kill him and bury myself.
More of us, that. But just give me some time to fix things.
Well, in the meantime, you see, I have some youths on the ground where see if them can find out who's responsible for them actions there.
Well, here I go on. It's when you find a culprit there. Make me know. Because me want to deal with it personally. Here what? Up full till the chop full. Because we not second for them little cup full.
That's a fact, man.